And we're getting some more breaking news vis-a-vis the same story that we have been tracking. Now, the verdict has been reserved in the hearing of the case against Imran Khan. And this is regarding his physical remand. As Imran Khan has gone about saying that his arrest is totally illegal, he's also said that not even the warrants were shown to him. My colleague Siddhant is joining us live on the broadcast. Siddhant, there's so much that's happening in Pakistan. First, let's actually turn our viewers' attention to this particular case that is before the court, where the verdict stands reserved. What is expected? Imran Khan and his side is claiming that this arrest is totally illegal and not even the warrants were shown to him.
Absolutely, Greha. And in fact, I did manage to speak to one of the members of Imran Khan's legal team yesterday, and they were quite confident that they will get order in favor of Imran Khan yesterday only from the High Court. But it went quite contrary to the expectations of Imran Khan's legal team, and court called the arrest legal, and in fact the National Accountability Bureau was given a green signal in a way to produce Imran Khan for the further legal proceedings. Now, going by a perception, time and again the courts have rescued Imran Khan, had given him bails in multiple cases, and in fact for this very reason only the army and government has been opposing the court's order, or maybe are not very comfortable with the way judiciary has been inclined towards Imran Khan. This time around also the hope is from Supreme Court. So Greha, there are two parallel hearings going on. Okay. One is going on at a lower court, which you are talking about, where the order has been reserved. The other hearing will take place in Supreme Court, and in fact, Fawad Chaudhary has filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging Islamabad High Court's order, calling this entire arrest legal. So against that, the PTI has moved the Supreme Court. So the main cases, the main matter will be heard by the Supreme Court, and there is a lot of hope among the cadre of PTI that Supreme Court will give some sort of a relief to Imran Khan, or maybe Supreme Court can set Imran Khan free. And Greha, this is perhaps the reason that not just in Pakistan but whole of the world, globally the campaign is being run, Toronto and UK, US, everywhere the protests are taking place to mount some pressure on the Supreme Court to release Imran Khan. So the important hearing is yet to begin, but we have been told that since Imran Khan's legal team has sought for an urgent hearing of the matter, so maybe given the law and order situation in the Pakistan and the evolving situation in Pakistan, the Supreme Court can decide to hear matter urgently. So that is perhaps going to be a major matter in this entire case.
Absolutely.
Back to you.
Siddhant, you were also talking about how there are parallel hearings that are happening, one in the Supreme Court and one in the Special Court. We also know how the case of graft is also going to be heard against Imran Khan in that Special Court. While we discuss that further, we're getting some more breaking news. Let's first get our viewers' attention to that. This is again coming in from Pakistan, as chaos has gripped Pakistan, and now Pakistan Punjab government has decided to call in the army to maintain law and order in the nation. Pakistan army has been called into Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province as well. Siddhant continues to be with us. Siddhant, army now called in. This has been done by the coalition government of Mr. Sharif. Just tell us more about what exactly are you learning about the situation in Pakistan right now.
Well, this was pretty much expected, and in fact, not just the observers in India, but in Pakistan also were expecting this to happen, because that is perhaps the last resort. Because look, Greha, the way the cadre is coming on roads, the way appeal is being made, the campaign is being run. Chalo Islamabad, gharon se niklo, parivar ke sath niklo, Khan ko bachana hai. So such kind of slogans are being given. So it is getting really difficult for police forces to control the crowd. And in fact, this has never happened in the history of Pakistan, where on a single day such a large-scale vandalism has taken place, especially on significant buildings of corps commander rank officers, or maybe the headquarters. So those buildings have also been vandalized. The situation is bad, and this is the reason that in these two provinces, the army has been asked to take over, so that army can control the situation. Also, this fight is going to be do and die for Imran Khan and also for Shehbaz Sharif's government. And this is the reason that now there is no U-turn, there is no going back. So they want to take this fight to its conclusion, and this is the reason that Shehbaz Sharif had arrived in Pakistan. He was in UK, and in fact, at a political level, Imran Khan narrative is being countered. Even a press conference was also done by a senior minister in Shehbaz Sharif government, exposing Imran Khan, calling him undemocratic, calling his act anarchist, and also blaming him for the chaos, and also blaming him for torching his party cadre, for torching schools. So on a legal front also, there's going to be a counter from the government side, and on the political front also, the countering has started, and today press conference has taken place. In fact, the other leaders of Shehbaz Sharif's government is also in a way trying to create a perception that there is no problem at all in Pakistan. All these appeals, all these social media posts are being made sitting at homes. There is no actual dharna or there's no actual protest happening. But the fact is that in many districts in Pakistan, 144 has been imposed. Many districts have already been taken over by army. The police is doing roundups in Karachi, in Islamabad, and government is government. There is tension in government to curb this entire. To curb this entire situation, because one thing they have understood,
while you mentioned that the army has been pressed in by the Shehbaz Sharif government to actually take stock and to manage the situation that currently Pakistan is seeing. If we actually take our viewers through the background of where it all started, the unprecedented scenes that were seen outside the court, where Imran Khan was there deposing before the court when the Pakistan Rangers really came in. The use of force by the army in Pakistan, and especially after Imran Khan had made a certain statement referring to the Major General of the ISI, calling him a dirty Harry, all of this put together and the kind of responses that we are now seeing, if we actually juxtapose the two positions of the army in Pakistan and of the sentiment behind Imran Khan, which one is weighing heavy on the other?
Well, emotions are surely flowing for Imran Khan, and also Griha, Imran Khan acted very smartly, and in fact, since his stepping down as a prime minister, he understood one thing, that there is an anger in people against the army, and this is the reason that in all his speeches, in all his public address, he always blamed army. He in fact said that army is trying to assassinate him.
Yes.
He also called one of the generals in army dirty Harry. So that is kind of a political move of Imran Khan, because he also wants to ride on this anger against army existing in Pakistan. And also, Griha, there are multiple factors today working in favor of Imran Khan. One is the existing anger against army. The other is also inflation, price rise, unemployment. So people are already in stress, and that is perhaps making Imran Khan's campaign successful, because they see Imran Khan as a masiha who can save the country. They also see Imran Khan as somebody who is fighting the mighty and powerful people of Islamabad. So let's support him. So that is a kind of a general narrative, general perception in Pakistan, and this is the reason that Imran Khan is getting a lot of popularity.